What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and I'm back with another video. Atticus is not recording today. Peyton is, and she's actually recording on a new phone. It's a Galaxy S, one of the newer S's, not the newest one. But before, Atticus was saying cha-ching when he'd hit record, and then Peyton, as she recorded her first video on this phone a minute ago, said like 3, 2, 1, go or something, and then hit the button. But I can actually hear the button when she hits it. So that's actually a nice new feature of this new phone. All right, I'm back with another video today, and I've got a shoe to unbox here. I haven't seen it yet, and I managed to hit on this. Pretty happy that I hit on it. I was pretty excited at work when I got the email. We'll talk about that more in a second, because we can't go any further without a word from our sponsor, Peyton. Who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
This is Joshua, Old Testament 1:8. This book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but you shall meditate on it day and night, that you may observe to do according to all that is written in it. For then you will make your way prosperous. Then you will make your way prosperous, and then you will have good success. So Joshua was Moses' successor. He was about to take the Israelites. Maybe he had already taken them, but he was either probably about to take them into the Promised Land. And this is a message from God to Joshua. Now, he only had the book of the law to think about, and this is something I really enjoy. Like, how does the Old Testament relate to us? Because it's based on the law, which is the Old Testament books, the Jewish law. There's like hundreds of laws and all these things that we have to live by. But how do we interpret? How does the Old Testament things like this help us? And how do we need to look at those things now? Because we're not under the law, because Jesus came to change the law to give us a new covenant. And how do we look at that now? And first of all, what's important here is meditate. I think, what does it mean to meditate? And actually what this means, the word in Greek, it means to like utter or mutter, like kind of to speak under your breath. So it's not about just thinking about something in your head, it's about speaking it out loud. And I think at this point, since we're under grace, speaking the word of Jesus out loud, speaking his words out loud and saying them out loud is a way, I think, to get them more ingrained in our minds and in our heart, but only speaking them out loud, not just repeating things, because just repeating things, people can repeat things and mean nothing of them. Peyton, you know about that, right? You can just repeat stuff, and it doesn't mean anything. You can just say the words without even thinking about them if you've said them enough. So it's definitely not about that, but it's about where they start also from a place in your heart. And if we can get to that place in our heart, and Jesus has revealed himself to us in another way, or his grace to us in another way, speaking of it and saying it out loud is really important. Thank you, Jesus, for this word. Thank you for sponsoring us. And now let's talk about these shoes. All right. This is, well, I guess you know what it is. Maybe you don't know what it is, because I don't know what I'm going to call this, and I don't know what I'm going to put in the thumbnail. But Union, the yellow ones up there. Oh, those are almond ears, not unions. I thought I had, no, the yellow ones are unions. The yellow ones are unions. My Union Dunks are gone. I know I have more unions. Where are my other unions? Okay, maybe I don't have more unions. There's 2 pairs. That pair, the Desert Moss Jordan 4, that pair I did actually hit on the Union website, the Union raffle, and I hit on Hesper's email. Just happened to be looking at her email like 2 days after emails were going out with W's, and I saw that she had them, and I was so excited, because back then those were worth like $600. I don't know why I kept those, but I did. And you know, the Union drops since then just haven't been that great. These 2s kind of were bricks. I've worn them maybe a couple of times. The other Jordan ones, so the original Jordan ones that came out, those were fire. There was another release of Jordan 4s that were fire. I did have the Off Noirs for a little bit, and I got rid of those. But the original ones, they're fire. The red pair, I think, go for over $1,000 now. And I actually, when I was looking online to see how much these were going for after I hit on them, I looked at those. I'm like, holy cow, they're going for a lot now. They're not going for that much. The last time I looked, they were going for more like maybe $500. And if they are still, I'm probably not keeping these. I do really like them. Some of the pictures that I've seen and videos I've seen about them, maybe I don't like them quite as much as I thought, but we'll see when I get them out of here and in hand. But I had a handful of people go in the Union draw, which it wasn't normally how Union handles these things. Normally they do first come, first serve with the password page. This was a password page into a raffle. And several people, I was in the office that day, several people got in the raffle as well. And then I had just sat down in another meeting, pulled my phone out and saw that I had the email. And I had to stop the meeting that I was in and say, everybody, give me a minute, I've got to check out. So let's get a look at these. I've actually had these here for a couple of days now and just haven't made it a priority to make this video. So we're doing that now. And like I said, I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not. I kind of want to because I have always wanted Union ones, but I don't know if I'm going to. Yeah, this is a pretty cool box. We've seen boxes like this before from Union. I don't remember. I mean, I probably got it up here somewhere. Over here. Might be behind that shirt. I know I have one somewhere. I don't know. It's fine. Yes. So we get some drawings on here. That's a Jordan 11 drawing. Another 11 drawing. Some 2s. Bread band 1s. Another 11 drawing. There's a lot of 11 drawings on here. Picture of 11s. Picture of the Chicago toe, black toe 1s. So it's a pretty cool box. That Jordan 11. I don't know what this actually is, what either of these two are, but these are Jordan 11s that didn't ever actually release, I don't believe. This looks like, I don't know, a 10? I don't know. Well, let's give these shoes a look. Let's take a look at these shoes because I do really want to see these and I want to decide whether or not I'm going to keep them. We get some Union Jordan paper, some black suede swoosh. Okay, we might have to take those out and take another look. Zigzag stitch white. We do have some zigzag stitches in here, that's for sure. Black, white laces, OG AJ1 bottom energy box lid. Box lid, okay. We get these wrapped up like Subway sandwiches. Or what's better than Subway?
Firehouse?
No.
No, hold on.
I mean, maybe.
Jersey Mike's.
Jersey Mike's. That's the only decent sandwich shop to go. It's the only one worth going out of your way for. Unless it's Union Sandwich Shop that wraps up their shoes like this.
I know what these are.
Where did you see them?
On YouTube.
On YouTube. When I was watching YouTube? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in the videos that I've saw, I didn't really like the look of this leather. It didn't look great. The white is okay. The red is actually really nice. I do like this red leather. It's really thick cut, which is something that Union normally does. I don't know that I'm a huge fan of the yellow. The yellow on the yellow on the cut side.
Looks nice.
Like here.
Nice little touch.
Yellow and red just give me too much McDonald's vibes.
But it's not enough to get.
Okay,
I mean, if you wore
enough.
the laces, yes.
No, I don't mind. I actually kind of like the laces. Maybe I would put those laces in. Maybe, but all right. Let's see what else we got here. Because right now, I like the leather more than I thought I did, but I don't know that I'm feeling these. This is pretty nice. Normally, Jordan 1s don't get decent insoles. This is, I think it's just.
Turn it back around.
It's not Ortholite. It's probably Dream Cell, but it's definitely not the same Ortholite that's normally in there. The complete trash. So this is actually probably better. We get a muslin midsole, drop 2-inch light yellow, 2-foot light yellow, oxidized outsole. This does not look like an oxidized outsole. It just looks like normal. But, all right. So I don't know. Whatever this Jordan was that was sold to be cut off right here, this is kind of reminiscent of that, the way that this is stitched. I really like the blue stitching. It does look good with the blue stitch.
Blue laces.
I do think I've seen pictures of these with blue laces, and they look good. Although, I actually think that it was too much blue. Like, this is enough blue to make you want more, but the laces were just too much.
Yeah.
But I like this look. This leather's very nice. That's distressed. It's not a leather at all. It's okay, but this leather, I do really like this gray leather. And the red leather is pretty good. Again, really thick cut, but the shoe's still not that heavy. It's nice. It's definitely nice. I don't think it's nice enough for me, though.
What?
Why?
I like them.
See, Peyton did this in the Jordan 9 video that we just recorded. She's doing it in this video. Like, she acts like she really likes them. But I think she just does it for the videos. She does like my shoes. So which are your favorites? You like the University Blues.
Yeah.
You like the patent breads that are matted.
Mm-hmm. I wish they were not matted, but it's good.
Okay. You like the biohacks.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see those in the video, the one I'm pointing at?
Mm-hmm.
So University Blues biohacks. The UNC toes she wears sometimes. And then the matted patent bread she wears sometimes. Those are your favorites. But it's those mostly ones.
Yeah.
And she did actually wear the military blue 4s today.
Those are nice. I like those.
And she wanted to wear them the other day, but I wouldn't let her because it was raining. So she likes these.
I do like them because they're ones, right?
They're ones.
Yeah.
Whew. It's just good. So they're all right. I like them okay.
I like shoes that are similar to ones that are not gonna make my foot look bigger than I want it to look.
Yes. So Peyton wears my size shoe, but she is almost as tall as me, but very skinny. So if a shoe, I mean, her feet are not small to begin with. So if a shoe is big and bulky, like 4s normally are, then it's just it could make her foot look goofy. I would think 4s normally would do that, but you did not look that way at all today with those 4s on. So you can wear those 4s safely. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all you've worn in mine. You should try some 3s. Yeah, I don't know that I'm going to keep these. I'm happy I got the 9s that I made the video on today. I was super excited that I hit on these. But these are also, I'm going to post this, what's today? 9th, 10th?
No.
All right, well, I got to post the Cool Grays today because that's the day they released. And these are going to come out on the 13th. So I'll probably just go ahead and post this video on the 12th. And so that you know what you're getting into, with regards to trying to get into the raffle or the draw on sneakers. They may make it a little bit different of a drop as well. I've heard a little bit about that.
Today's the 15th. I think today's the 15th.
It's definitely not the 15th.
I think it is.
I got another phone right here. Today is the 15th. All right, then. I swear I just saw somewhere that these were going to drop on the 13th. I hope they didn't drop on sneakers, and I didn't even know it. But anyway, I will post the Cool Gray video today, and then these will come up in a few days. They are still supposed to come out on sneakers, but I don't think they have yet. Let me get this stuff back in here. They're definitely worth going for. I don't know why this yellow side cut. I like colors on the side. I think maybe they should have put the blue. If they'd have put the blue on the side, on the cut edge of this leather, I think that would have been fire.
But then I would have taken too much from the top then.
I don't think it would. It's still very minimal. I mean, maybe any color maybe white, any color other than this yellow. I just don't like that yellow. But I don't think that's the main reason why I'm getting rid of them. I just don't like them that much. I've got Lost and Founds. That's pretty close. I don't have shadows like this top portion, but I don't really want shadows, so I don't think I'm gonna keep these. So smash the like button for this video, and y'all let me know if I should keep these or if I should sell them. And heck, maybe I'll even sell them on YouTube. I actually have a lot of shoes that I need to get rid of. I've got the T-Rex Travis's, Hawaii SB Dunks. Let me see. Let me just point at which ones I might want to get rid of. I think I want to get rid of these. I think I want to get rid of these. Maybe that's it from here. I might get rid of these. These are dead stock. I haven't worn them yet. But I also have a lot more over here, and they aren't all necessarily hype shoes. Some that I would sell way under retail. I mean, a lot of these would be under retail too. So smash the like button. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know. Comment down below and tell me if I should keep these or not. And tell your grandma about the new Jordan 1 Unions. There may be another colorway of these coming out this year. And I might like that one better than these. So I think that all points to the fact that I should probably get rid of these. But y'all let me know. See y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 black cement.